When your iPhone is suddenly unable to make or receive phone calls, you have the option to either troubleshoot, or immediately contact your network service provider to report the problem for further assistance. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix your iPhone 11 that can't receive phone calls after iOS 13.3. If you want to troubleshoot your device, then continue watching. First solution, enable airplane mode and disable it again. Check the signal strength you are getting from the carrier network's tower on the top of your phone screen. If it shows minimal to zero signal bars, turn the airplane mode on and off again to refresh your phone's wireless radios and services. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to pull the control center. Touch the airplane icon to enable flight mode. After a few seconds, touch the icon again to disable it. After doing this, try to see if your phone can now make phone calls. Second solution, perform the forced restart on your iPhone. Most of the time, this problem occurs out of the blue without apparent reason. So if you were able to use this service prior to this issue, then it's probably just a minor one. You must first do the forced restart, and here's how it's done. Quickly press and release the volume up button, and then the volume down button. The moment you release the volume down button, press and hold the side or power key for 15 seconds or until the Apple logo shows on the screen. Your iPhone will continue the usual boot process. When the reboot is complete, try to see it can receive phone calls already. Third solution, reset all network settings on your iPhone. After making sure that the problem isn't with your network device, the next thing you have to do is refresh all network or wireless services on your iPhone. You can do so by resetting all network settings. Don't worry, none of your files will be deleted. Here's how it's done. From the home screen, tap Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the problem is fixed. Fourth solution, factory reset your iPhone. A reset will be able to fix this problem, but make sure to create a backup of your important files and data because they will be deleted and you may not be able to retrieve them. When ready, follow these steps. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed. Now enter your Apple ID password, and then tap Erase to proceed with the reset. Wait until your iPhone has finished the reset, and then set it up as a new device. If your iPhone is still not able to receive phone calls even after a reset, then it's time you called your service provider. The problem can be with the network, or your account. Your service provider can help you better if the problem isn't with your phone. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.